In this question, they're talking about sum of three consecutive odd integers. So three consecutive odd integers means it can be 3, 5, then 7. That is basically one after the other odd integer. So if I take x as my first odd integer, my next odd integer will be x plus 2, and my third odd integer will be x plus 4. These three odd integers will be in consecutive order. So they're telling you sum of three consecutive odd integer, which is sum of these three numbers add up to 459. So if I solve it for x, so 3x plus 6 equals to 459. And if 6 goes to the other side, it will be 3x equals to 459 minus 6, which will be 453. And then x equals to 453 divided by 3, which will result in 151. Okay, this 151 is the first odd integer, and they're talking about find the largest of these odd integers. The largest of this odd integer will be x plus 4, so which is nothing but 151 plus 4, which results in 155. That's the reason it's